In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit qualifiers in Insightly Leads. When you are managing leads, keeping your qualifiers up to date helps your team stay consistent. In Insightly, these qualifiers are managed through the Lead Sources area, where you can adjust details like the source name or its rating value. I will walk you through exactly where to go and what to change, so your updates are saved correctly. Start by looking to the top area of Insightly for your profile icon. This is where you can access administrative options for your account. Click the profile icon and then select System Settings. Take a moment here because System Settings is where many important configuration tools live, and it is easy to get distracted by other menus. For this task, you will stay focused on the Data Management section. Next, within System Settings, find Data Management and click Lead Sources. This opens the list of your existing sources. Each source represents where leads are coming from, and the rating value can be used to reflect how valuable or qualified that source tends to be for your business. Making small improvements here can have a big impact on how leads are prioritized later. Now locate the specific source you want to update. To the right of that source, click the pencil icon. The pencil icon is the edit option, and it will allow you to change the information tied to that source. Once you are in edit mode, update the name if the label needs to be clearer or more accurate. You can also change the rating value if you want the source to carry more or less weight in your process. As you edit, keep your naming consistent with the way your team already categorizes sources, and be careful with rating changes since they can affect reporting and lead sorting. When you are finished with your edits, click Save Sources. This is important because navigating away without saving can cause you to lose your changes. After saving, it is a good idea to briefly scan the list to confirm the updated name or rating value appears as expected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.